All right, so I've gone ahead and I've sewn my pockets onto the side of my dress. Now, the reason why we did a 1/4 inch seam instead of a 5/8 or 1/2 of an inch is because we want these to be truly hidden pockets on the side of our dress. So that's the reason why we decreased the seam allowance, so a 1/4 of an inch. So I went ahead and I sewed all the pockets onto my sides of my dress. And now what you want to do is you want to open the seam up and you want to press them flat. Press these seams flat. We want to set this up for an understitch. All right. And then what the understitch will do, it'll actually keep the pocket inside. It'll have the pocket to stay inside. All right, so now that our pocket seams are sewn flat, what I want you to do is go and understitch. Now you're going to stitch, you're going to start up here and you're going to sew towards the pocket. You're going to sew on the side of the seam that's toward the pocket, and you're going to sew about 1/8 of an inch away from this seam on this side. So if you're facing your dress, you're going to be sewing on the right seam right here. So go to your sewing machine and just sew about 1/8 of an inch all the way down, and that's understitching your pocket seams.